Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Delicious Home Cooking. So today we are gonna make a very delicious breakfast recipe named Caramelized Onion, Egg and Mushroom Quesadilla. So let's start. So for this recipe we are using 4 brown eggs, 4 tortillas, some cheddar cheese, jalapeno, tomato, mushrooms, and we have some sliced onion and some cilantro. So without wasting time, let's start. So first of all, crack 2 eggs in a small bowl and season to taste with salt and pepper. And after that, whisk until whites and yolks are evenly mixed. So then add olive oil in a pan and then add sliced onion and cook them until soft. And then add mushrooms and cook them until tender and golden. So then add spice blend to it. So my spice blend has coriander, cumin and garlic powder, and mix it well. So then pour eggs into the pan and cook them undisturbed. So stir eggs until they have set and are no longer runny. So you can see our eggs are ready, and now take out from the pan. So this is the first method, that how we can make an omelette for quesadilla. Now I'm gonna show you the other method. So in this way, I pour eggs first and then put cooked veggies on the top. So both the ways are super easy. You can either make this way or the other way. Then put some cheese on the top and let this cook. So this is ready, so we can take this out. And now I'm gonna show how to prepare your quesadillas. So now lay 2 tortillas side by side on a clean work surface and divide half of the white cheddar cheese evenly across tortillas. Top with cooked omelette and then add remaining cheese. So now lay second tortilla on top of cheese and push down to flatten. So now add 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan and transfer your quesadilla to it. So you can cook it for 5 to 6 minutes until tortillas are crispy and golden. Carefully flipping halfway through so that it will be cooked from both sides. So you can see this is ready. So now we can take this out. So as you can see, they look crispy and golden. So now with the help of a knife, we can cut it. So be careful when you cut it. So we can make 4 pieces. So after this, you can serve this with sour cream or guacamole. So I'm gonna show you how we can make guacamole. Maybe some of you know that what is guacamole. If you don't know, so I'm gonna tell you. So what is guacamole? So guacamole is an avocado based dip which first developed in Mexico. So look at this. Our quesadilla is ready. See how yummy it looks. So this is very healthy breakfast recipe. You can try it. So now we shall begin with dip. So first of all, scoop out flesh from the avocado and place in a medium bowl. And mash it properly with the help of a fork. Then add onion to it. And then add some peppers, tomatoes, and then you can add some fresh cilantro. And mix all the ingredients very well. This is ready. So our quesadillas are ready. So guys, if you like my video, hit the like button and please subscribe my channel for the latest updates. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.